Are you struggling to make your daily Scrum meeting productive and effective? You're not alone. Many teams face challenges such as team members not being prepared, meetings running over time, team members not actively participating. However, with the right approach, these challenges can be overcome. Now imagine a daily Scrum meeting where the team members are fully prepared. They've taken time to review their progress since the last meeting, or they have thought about what they will be working on the next day. They should have a clear understanding of the sprint goal and how their work aligns with it. They should also be aware of any dependencies or obstacles they may be facing and be prepared to discuss them during the meeting. And additionally, they should come prepared with any relevant information, data or reports that may be needed for the meeting. Also, they should stay focused on the sprint goal and effectively address any obstacles and dependencies. This can be achieved through setting clear expectations and holding team members accountable, setting the time limit for the meeting, and fostering a culture of active participating and problem solving. Don't let daily Scrum meeting be a source of frustration for your team. Take the first step towards more productive and effective meetings by joining my Agile and Scrum Masterclass. In this course, you will learn strategies and techniques for overcoming common challenges and facilitating effective daily Scrum meetings. Check the first link in the description. Thank you for watching.